Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing day video. And this might be a poster. It's from Sesame Street, Illinois. It's right here. Sesame Street. What a fucking coincidence. So I might gotta open it right away. It's my Rushia poster. Sesame Street. What a weird coincidence. So I gotta cut this because this is made out of wood. Actually, I want to get splinters. This is made out of wood. I don't want my packages from Sesame Street, but it's kind of weird. So here's Rushia. So sad she got terminated, but I'm so sad about her child's gotta be taken down soon. But her clips are still there. So I got end this video. I hope you had a great day. Bye.